Locked out of your RBC online banking and feeling the frustration build? Don't worry, we're here to guide you through simple steps to get you back in control of your finances. First, let's tackle the basics. Ensure you're entering your card number or username and password correctly. Double check for typos. A misplaced character can lock you out quickly. Also be sure that your caps lock is not on. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. These stored files can sometimes interfere with the login process. Go to your browser menu, find Settings or History, and then look for Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to select Cached Images and Files and Cookies and Other Site Data. If you suspect you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password or Change Password option on the RBC login page. You'll typically need to verify your identity through security questions or a one-time code sent to your email or phone number. Follow the prompts carefully to create a new, secure password. If you typically use a computer, try logging into the RBC Mobile App, or vice versa. This can help determine whether the problem is specific to one device or platform. Download the app from your device's app store and enter your login credentials. If you've tried all these steps and still can't access your account, it's time to contact RBC customer support directly. You can find their contact information on the RBC website or app. They have dedicated support, can help resolve more complex issues. And that's it. Following these simple steps should help you regain access to your RBC online banking account quickly and easily. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.